Hello, good people, and welcome to Excel Hacks for Productivity. One trick, 2 minutes to learn, hours saved every day. In this short video, we are going to learn how to do a multi-level sorting in Excel. So this is an example of a product list, and we have 3 classes of products, A, B, and C. And each class has 3 categories, 1, 2, and 3. I want to sort this so that I can have all A's followed by B's and C's, but A's will have 1, 2, and 3. Then we go to B, 1, 2, and 3. This can be achieved with a multi-level sorting. So if you have data with headers, you can stand anywhere in the cell of the block of data and press Alt DS one after the other. So when you press Alt DS, it opens up the sort dialog box. And here you have the primary dialog box to fill. So you confirm your data set has headers. What this means is when you sort, it will sort and treat class as a header, not a content. So the first level of sorting is going to be on class, and it's going to be sorted on cell values. And the order will be in an alphabetical order, so A to Z. So this is the first level. When I'm done with this, I'll press Alt A. Alt A will add the next level of sorting. So what I want is, after sorting this part out, I want to now come and sort this number 1, 2, 3. So I'll sort this by number, still on cell values. In this, you have options to even sort on color and other conditional formatting icons. So we sort on cell values, and this is also on smallest to largest. So with these 2 levels, when I click OK, I get this. So all A's are sorted, all B's are sorted, and then all C's are sorted. So please practice and add it to your list of Excel tricks. You can join our WhatsApp broadcast list. We send videos directly to you on Mondays and Fridays. You can send ad to this WhatsApp number. All our old videos are on our YouTube channel, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Click subscribe when you visit the channel for notification of new videos. Or give us a like on our Facebook page, Excel Hacks for Productivity. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.